Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new, I'm happy to have you all here. And let's start with the reading now. This is for those who are in a separation and no contact situation and want to know what's going on with their person right now. So just think of your person, take their name 3 times, and let's see what's going on with them. So basically in this we'll know what is their current energy, what are their intention towards you, what are the actions that they're going to take, or outcome of it. Okay, let's see this. And if I'm guided, then I'll be giving you a guidance also. Let's see what are my viewers person's current energy. So guys, my angels, please let me know current energy. Seems like your person is in a very dark mode. He has a hope of getting you guys back, but why they have just separated themselves and they're not being that socializing with anyone, and might be you are not aware about what is going on with them as such, even though you're trying to get to know few things. They have been literally very mysteriously and not sharing their feelings. They might have not told about how the things are going after breaking up with you or after getting separated from you to any of their friends. They have not shared anything, and they're keeping themselves very secretly over here. I see that they really don't want to share about how it is going or what it is going, and they're really could be working on themselves, getting themselves better, I feel. Okay, but definitely they are overthinking. They are pretty much feeling caged. They don't know what to do, but for some I see there is a hope that you guys will get back together. For few of them, okay, I see that they are thinking of getting back together, but currently they don't know where to find a way. So could be they have started working out, going to gym, you know tr- trying to have a mental peace as well. So let's see what are their thoughts about you. What are my viewers' person thoughts about them? Thoughts about you. So they are aware that you are not doing great. You are also hurt somewhere, and could be they have some of you. This person thinks that you have backstabbed them, like you have cheated on them. There is some kind of misunderstanding over here that is going on between you guys, and they are aware that you guys are really in a hurt. In you're trying to connect to them, but you're not showing any kind of signs of returning back to the. I'm getting a lot of messages like they are aware of you, that you are hurt, you're feeling low, you might be crying, you might be trying to reach out to them. You might be very disturbed and not doing your daily activities properly, not going or not doing your work properly, might be frequently or falling sick because of the mental stress, anxieties. So definitely they are aware of all these things, and they think that coming back to you would be a little bit of a wrong decision also. So let's see what are their actual feelings for you. What are their actual feelings for my viewers? I admit I'm the happiest when I am with you. So they admit that they are happiest when they are with you. With you, I can feel love, which I have never felt. Obviously, it's a very connecting message, guys. I'll always love you in my own messed up ways. So they just want to say you that though things are very much messed up over here right now, they still do love you a lot. And I definitely see that they want to come back, but currently they are going through a healing process. They want to settle down things, they want to calm down their mental conflicts, and then they might take action. So let's see, are they gonna take action or not? What are the future actions with you? Actions with you. I see that currently they are mentally conflicted a lot. This is with very few of them, because as I've told you, they think that you have backstabbed them regarding to something. But I see that they do want to come back, and they're not looking to any kind of new opportunities. They might be getting new people in their life, offering them the love, but they're not trying to get this new person. They want to come back to you because they really had a good memories with you, and they love staying with you, they love being with you, as they have told in this feeling card. And I see that justice gonna be served for you guys, and I see this person is gonna come towards you in the month of October, or within next 10 months, or within next 9 months. You can see this person reaching out to you. This is what I'm getting. They will take a little bit of time because they are working on themselves. They want to heal, they want to get some clarity and things, but they do have a hope of reconciling back with you. And I see that they will make an effort and they will come back. Let's see what else spirit guides want to say us regarding to this situation. Spirit guides, please let me know what else that you would want to say. I'm getting the song Love Me Like You Do. So I don't know for how many of you it will resonate, but Love Me Like You Do is a song that I'm hearing right now. So yeah, damage, we are both hurting from this. So he is really aware that you guys, both of you, are being hurt because of this, whatever has happened. This could be because of a third person, or could be because of your own misunderstandings. Probably this person was the one who started the fight, and they're kind of regretting for this damage whatever has been caused, and they might have not let you explain the situation properly or describe the situation properly. So see, I've got the card unsatisfied over here. So I see that either one of you were not happy over here the way the things were going, or it could be them who were not happy the way the things was going, and now they're feeling guilty for it. I feel pain from the damage I have caused. So as I've told you, this could be this person who have caused. So there is damage and there is guilty card. The both cards, very resonatingly it's popped up. So definitely I see with this card that they are regretting on what they have done, what decision they have took in this. And I see that they are gonna come back soon. Okay, as I've told you, within next 10 to 9 months, or in the month of October, it's gonna be for most of you a very familiar month, and for few of you it's gonna be within next 6 months. Let's see what else do spirit want to say us in this situation. Spirits, please let me know what else do you want to say for us in this situation. So I see that this person is stalking you. Okay, they think you might be in another romantic love affairs or something, so they're keeping a tab on you. They're trying to get a proof, the evidence. As I've told you, that there is a misunderstanding that has happened, and they doubt that you might be dating your best friend or a friend as such, and they are trying to get a proof, like a clarity for themselves. Okay, that it's like if he wants to come back to you, he wants that point to be cleared that there is nothing. So before that, he's making some kind of research on it, trying to take out the proof if you guys were really, you and whoever the person that he used to think with, and this is for very few of you, uh, is dating or not. All these things, for this message is for those who has got into a fight because of a third person, and you think that was a misunderstanding. So your person over here is trying to get that, you know, things, evidences, if it is there or not. He wants a verification on it. So let's see what guidance does the universe has for you in this situation. What guidance you would like to give them, you to my viewers. Oh, okay. So what the card? Misunderstandings again. So I think I have kept saying you this word misunderstanding. So sorry. Misunderstanding throughout this video, and now I finally got that there is misunderstandings. Heal. So spirit guides want to say you that heal. If you want something, you need to heal yourself. Only when you heal yourself is the time when the other, negative boundaries get off, and you will be in a positive energy to attract what you want. Okay, and to let the person come that is meant to come into your life. Loving and fighting. So this keeps happening, guys. That doesn't mean you just cry over, just be depressed over it. It's all misunderstandings. What is meant to come to you will definitely find its way to you. Let's see, is there any other messages that is something that you guys are meant to hear? I think since the breakup, somebody might be hearing, we don't talk anymore song. So I'm hearing that song also. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. So yeah, probably here people are thinking about the cute timings, or you might be swiping up back to your memories and seeing the cute pictures of you guys. If you have clicked cute pics, probably you guys are somebody who likes making memories or keeping the memories of the each date that you guys go, and um, having coffees. Could be you guys are a coffee lovers, whoever is there, you and your person, or could be one is chai and one is coffee lover over here. But I see you guys really liking to go on dates, on a coffee dates, and as such. And I even see that somebody would be like loving rain. Could be that you love rain or kids, or there was a moment where you guys have spent a really good time during the rainy season. There is a recap about that, and might be somebody has got a gift from the person. Might be your person have given you a cute bracelet or a rubber band which has a bow in it mainly, or a ring which is like a bow or an infinity symbol, or a cute diamond as such. And that's all being a very memorable one for you, and it's giving you a flashback of your person. But not just you, could be the person is also going through a same, because I can see a moon and sun sign over here. So this is happening with both of you. It's not just one who is going through all this. How will it be if the person come back? How will it be if this person come back into my viewer's life? Whoa, it's gonna be happiness, if you can see the word happiness. So if they come back, I see this is going to be a very good reunion that's going to happen, and it's going to bring you lots and lots of happiness. And the universe, so universe is by your side, guys. So this is something that's going to excite you a lot. And this time you guys are going to be more transparent, like you guys will be more opening and sharing the things, and will be more openly saying the things, not hiding anything or not being like, yeah, though there is nothing wrong, like in between any of you or any friends, but still you will tend to say कि हाँ चल आगे जाके ना कोई झगड़ा ना हो, so you will make an this thing word same. So I see, and it's gonna be a lot of obsession. There's gonna be a lot of obsession. For some it can be that a dominating energy of your person, but you will still love it, and they will be very much obsessed with you if they come back. And there's gonna be a very passionate, very desiring, and a very beautiful emotional availability. And seems like all things is come to an end, and you guys are going to have a great future. You can end up marrying each other also. So I see this is what it is. So this was a very random reading, guys. Like, I had not thought of any topic, but this suddenly came to my mind when I just pressed on this camera to start a video that will check on current energy of my viewers, and let's see what's there for them in this. And this is what I got. And don't worry, your person is going to come back to you. They're just doubting, just misunderstandings. It's going to be all cleared, and it's going to have a massive transform and shift. And that shift is going to be very loving to you. Like, this is going to be a very different person, but this time they're going to be so much into you, and it's only you. And they love you a lot. They're still thinking about you, they're having your thoughts, they revise about all the good memories, and they do still have your pics, they do see it, and things will fall in place very soon for all of you. Okay, just manifest for them. For more such readings, keep supporting me, guys, and you can do book a personal reading with me. It's already given on the link is already on the description. So don't waste your time. You can book your personal readings with me. And so for more such readings, do subscribe, and thank you. Bye.